here. I say what's up?
Eh?
Ibulema. Mwaki ibulema. Ikele kelio. Ikele kelim nketogo. Makati nkebie ga boss.
Ambagozo. Akwa ngegele. Mwaki na Africa fufu. Mega breed de fremini. La nemba kwake. My jihad I know they fear this when I've been a matchet way carry. Watch American film. The person go carry gun, they go see beat him. Use that gun, kill him. I will use the cut your own issue in nature.
Are you going to leave that girl alone or not?
Are you going to leave my clothes alone or not?
You going to leave that girl for me or not?
Are you going to leave my clothes alone or not? Leave my clothes, I'll give you the answer now. Is it my clothes that will leave the girl or me that will leave the girl? Leave my clothes first. I'm not the fear you. I'm not the fear even your machete. Instead of me to fear police with gun, I fear army clothes where they wash hang. The grace. Make I tell you something. You see that my sister, Chinaza? You don't chop on 4,000. You don't. Why I go allow you marry another girl when you get girlfriend with my sister? The grace. That one not gonna happen for this world. It can't happen. It can't. It will never.
Is that what you are saying? That's why you take talk, Amabi.
It's what I'm saying, and it's what you are hearing.
That's why you take talk.
You see, Felicia. I have her phone number. Her people know me. And they go to the house morning, afternoon, night. Morning, afternoon, night. I send her message every day with the chat. No, her people know me, I know her people. We don't fix our day, 30th of December, not this month whole day. So it will not work for you. Just look for another way. Look for another way, and the only way for you. Now my sister. Idiot. Try me. You come film no.
In Kuala Lumpur, if you ask your nomenclature, meaning your name, your position, like this, and your hands like this.
Okay.
You say, my name is Chidi.
My name is Chidi.
My nomenclature is Chidi.
My nomenclature is Chidi.
And make sure you're looking straight.
Okay, straight, like this.
Position your head.
Okay, this way.
Straight and you bend.
Oh, straight and bend.
Yeah.
Chidi.
Good. You're a fast learner.
Yes.
Okay.
Those big English you're speaking the other day.
Okay, Bangadaloos.
Oh, good. Okay. I like those words.
Say Bangadaloos.
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 Bangadaloos means where are you going to?
Oh, if I see my mama, I say, Mama,
Bangadaloos.
I like this.
Wait. No. You don't touch me.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Inabumaso.
Oh,
Shift label.
Okay.
Good.
Sorry.
Inabumaso.
All right.
Yeah.
Inabumaso.
Yeah.
So, and the other one you said, my hairstyle is
Shaba. You know, back there in Kuala Lumpur, cute guys like you, they barb Shaba. Yes. And when you see them walking majestically, you walk up to a lady like this. Hey babe, what is your name? My nomenclature is Chidi.
My nomenclature is Chidi.
And the lady will say, oh, hi handsome. My name is whatever.
Oh, I like this one.
There's some words like Ubundulus Bangadalas.
Ubundulus Bangadalas.
Meaning I am coming after you.
You know, this kind of English we don't speak it in this village. Even in the schools, you will not see this kind of you will not hear this kind of English. The only thing you'll be hearing is go and get me water, go and fetch firewood, pan fufu for me. Mama, I'm going to the market. But all these Bangadulus, Tibulus, hey, Oyibo.
You know what? when I came into this vicinity, I always go around to take some pictures.
Okay.
And I found out that this place is so primitive, local, undeveloped, unconsequential, unsophisticated. Like, it is so archaic to my liking. But anyways, as time goes on, I begin to adapt to the ethnicity of the Andalus. And I found out that all the dudes and cute guys in this arena are illiterate. They either want to speak the local, dirty, undiluted.
So what is that illiterate? Because the last time you said that I'm an illiterate, and it was so nice.
Illiterate simply means you are looking handsome.
I said it. I was happy.
Anyways, I'm stressed. Yeah, I need to rest.
This money where you see now, I want to use I'm going to repair my keke. I want to take and repair the keke. But as I see as my girlfriend they do me, hey, do this, do that. I feel use them. I feel Mumu carry this money. I want to use my keke now. Go give my girlfriend. I beg. But you know the human being know the day with money. I know say keep on for me.
You get sense. You get sense.
Keep on for me.
I'm telling you, you get sense.
You be my man.
For you to reason that you're not supposed to hold this money because you know these girls. You understand? So you have sense for not reason it. Don't worry. I will keep it.
Keep it for 13.5 day there.
You said you want to use it and repair your cake.
Okay, that 13.5. I want to make a 15,000.
In fact, I begin to call the people who you are buying fast. Okay, you have no money. You reason well. You reason well. You reason well. You said that 13.5 day. I never count about it.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. What's that? Is that naira, pounds, and dollars?
No, it's Naira Mali.
This is cold currency. Go cash. So how have you been?
I've been fine. No, it's just that I was one of my guys.
Wait.
One of the boys I sent to America. He now sent me money to be sharing for people for charity.
You know about
so
America?
America.
Yeah.
Even as I'm talking to you, the president of America, Chastello, called me on phone.
What?
American president Chastello, he flashed me. He said, call me back. I called him back. He said America is trying to take over the capital of America, which is Monrovia. Monrovia is in trouble. I said, how can he say that the capital of America, which is Monrovia, is in trouble? No, I said no.
It's okay, whatever. Whatever. I'm meant to believe that illiterate do not know how to count currencies. So, can you give it to me to count for you?
Did I hear you say illiterate? Or illiterate people here?
No. What I mean is illiterate vagabondis.
That is medicine.
Yeah.
I know that medicine. I know that drugs. The other time when I had a migraine, they say I go for the listen. They say,
and it's good for you.
Yes.
It's good for you.
So, my mind is telling me something.
What?
Spoil you.
Oh my Jesus!
My mind is telling me spoil her. Where can I spoil you?
I was
No, don't worry yourself. Don't be killing it with money. You can touch.
Okay. Actually, I was coming for you. I was coming for you.
And I was there for you.
You were there for me?
Yes.
I see.
You know what? This thing now, I don't want. This is walkway. Yeah. Can we go to any chalet, any reserve area so that we can relate? Do
you know what? I was meant to believe that there's some hoodlums, some bungadus, magapolus in this vicinity. So
when did they arrive?
Don't you care?
Oh, that's Americans. Yeah, Chastello told me that Vangabus and Mongogus are coming.
You understand in it?
In it, yes.
Okay. Let me hold it for you. Or better still, can count it for you.
It's alright. Hold it. Let's go to a comfortable place and squash it.
Wow, this is.
So you hold the money.
Cash.
You hold it, isn't it?
I'll hold it.
I will hold you. Hold it. Let me hold you.
Let's go.
It's okay. Eleba, which bag do you want us to go now? And squash this money.
I think we should go to any bar around.
Any bar around now?
Around the garden.
Garden here.
Follow me.
Hold it. Let me hold you.
Wait, don't be in a rush.
I'm not in a rush. I'm in a hurry.
Walk majestically.
It's okay.
Okay.
Welcome
One step at a
to
time. One step at a time. One step at a time. So, you got the balls under your thighs to show up your nasty face after all the delusive insults your primitive local idiots gave to me the other day. Huh? How dare you?
Bagada mo, feeling them. Bagada mo, bagada mo, feeling them. Bagada mo. Otobulam si we mejogi. Bagada mo, nyobulam ji we mejogi. Bagada mo, please forgive me. I am begging you in the name of God. You see that thing will happen that day. That girl na my S. And then my whole labro S, it belongs to the past. Just like the Bible said, all things shall pass away, and new things shall come. Yeah, behold, it will new thing that will happen in my life. If you leave me now, I am finished. Please accept this gift from me. This is from my heart. It is a gratitude to show you that I am deeply, yeah, from the bottom of the Lord.
Damn it. Damn it.
No. No, give up. No, give up. That is for, see. I don't watch this guy. With I close one eye, open one. They watch out with my onokometer. Because he say he love you. Just give us small opportunity, small like bomb. When you prove say he love you. Forgive him. Yeah, Ojinaka. See, make I tell you. No be say you go do big thing. Come bring this small thing. Won't come back. See, when next we are coming, buy big thing so that if you beg, my sister will forgive you.
Wait, you're coming to beg me with this?
Don't give him back. Mine go back. So see, you go take him out. Buy a big thing to beg him. Don't be say you go buy this small thing.
If to say not to take her out, Gaga her also. Make she if she ready, me I'm ready. Anything where she point, I go buy. Yes, I make her in the task.
Now you're talking.
No.
I'll stand up, okay? Stand up. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
You're welcome.
Now you're talking.
Yes.
But please, next time, don't come to see me with this.
Yes, you can bring it forward.
I don't eat these local things.
Thank you.
Correction too.
I eat cheese.
Yes.
Pringles.
Oh.
Burger.
I know.
Shawarma.
Baby.
That's what I care for, okay? You're forgiven. You're forgiven. Give me a hug.
See, Auntie Mama, sorry. Feli, you will go inside, go change. When you wait for you so that he will take you out.
Next time, buy me cheese, okay?
Yes.
Right.
Go.
Okay?
Yes. Yes, sir. Come. See if I tell you next time, if you are buying the shawarma, the chips, buy this thing 5. 5 from me, shawarma for her. Yes. Forget why that's so. Call it cheese. Like it. I think
Hey! It's not pressing. Oh my!
The two of us are looking beautiful.
Yeah.
If I married you, you look beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
The dog is shouting.
Oh my jeez.
What are you doing? Marry the man. Hellfire on the Jim.
Oh, shifts. In Abu Masal.
Let
In Abu Masal.
me ask you. Let me tell you. Why won't you leave my woman alone?
Who be your woman?
Why would you leave Felicia alone?
Who be your woman?
Face your wife and children.
Ow.
Your wife and 6 kids at home. You can't even face them.
Oh.
You are chasing women with me.
Oh. Now this style you use come. You want spoil market. No, say now we carry the market spoiler. Now we be the fertilizer when they take spoil market. You want to carry her, put her for house, make her your fourth wife. Where we say your house don't full of children. Even your children don't they born for house. They drop for you. Shameless onya apale. You want marry this fine thing, spoil them. Eh?
You want
Yeah, leg. You want come on, yeah.
no cho.
Ewa obia.
Front and back, and be share.
Hey, it's okay. This is so interesting. He's
married.
Hey, excuse
You are
me.
married.
Hey, damn it.
With
Damn
kids.
it.
With
Wait.
children.
Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Okay. You know what will happen? You know what? Let me settle this in a more unique, classic, mature, expensive, sophisticated manner. If any of you can take me out and spoil me, spend on me, I will be all his. Who is in?
Wait, to take you out.
Yes.
Spoil Leago.
Yes.
Spend
on me.
I am in.
You're in. Oh my boo.
I'm in.
You are in?
Okay, man, did you go? Okay, man, did you go? It's a list Diego Maka. Okay, Rubo, I put you
Chill. Damn it. In Abu Masal.
on your hunger.
Are you in or out?
Let me tell you. Only one guy went like a one. I'm in the bank at Omepre. She's from one. You only didn't hear Mama, thank you. Do you know me? Miko. Boy, I'm in. If I'm inside.
You're in.
Me.
Ow.
Hey.
Let's go.
I can come with a saga.
Follow me.
Follow us. They are the pepper.
What's that? It's in Abu Masal.
Where's my rapper?
Which rapper are you talking about?
Where's my rapper? Let me my rapper.
Mind how they pursue me with accord ho. I'm allergic to accord ho. Yeah, make a customer. I come out.
Provide my rapper, Ojinaka. Where's my rapper now?
Why are you asking me of rapper, sir? Do I look like a woman
I'm
rapper?
cooking here.
You didn't go woman rapper.
Okay.
You didn't bring my accord.
Brother, provide the rapper. What is this self? Your own is too much in this house. What is it? Your own is too much. Provide the rapper.
Eko church akola.
Sister, I told you we don't need brother in this house. We don't need him. We need to sell him. We don't need him.
Do we need you? Ask yourself if we need you in this house.
Brother, if you sold the rapper, bring the money, let's use and eat.
Your own not to eat. Tozo. Obanta.
Hey, Ojinaka, give my clothes. Ojinaka, give me my rapper, Ojinaka.
Brother, to avoid trouble now. Bring the clothes. Bring the rapper. Bring it.
Helen Nkume. Why you go gona? Now your own. No be your mate, they come out here, buy rapper, can't give it their brother. As soon as they here, would you here? You don't know you're not supposed to come out, find money, meet men, where matter. When I go collect money, can't give me every day, unu chem. I go come feed you now.
Ojinaka, where's my clothes?
Hey, Ojinaka, when do you become a close like this house? Bring the rapper, bring the rapper.
Mosquito, why you call it? Would you call it mine galiki? Abushi. See, let me tell you now. That rapper, I don't sell him. Use the money, do something. What will happen? Make it happen.
You go and leave us. Don't worry. Brother, why?
Wait. When did brother become a close in this house?
Brother, every time, look, you know. You have trouble. You know what I said? You're not going to give that girl. This is not you come and meet us in this house.
After you come and meet me.
You will come and meet us.
Don't worry.
Sister, when you come back, you
Sister, you mean that brother sold your rapper? Hey!
Sister, I said, when I tell you people that it's his own that is too much, you will be doing as if it's my own that is too much. My own is not too much. You have seen it now. You have seen it.
It's okay. People like every time strong.
How we shall use this thing to just
It's your brother
break
that
your
not
head.
strong
Hey,
more than
don't
his
worry.
life.
You will come back in this house and meet me.
Hey!
Hey,
He will come back and meet us in this house. I'm waiting for him.
Ojinaka sold my clothes. Ojinaka, you have the guts to sell my clothes. Don't worry. Hey. Don't worry. You come and meet me in this house.
Naza!
Okini. What is it? Why you carry cutlass like someone that is going to fight war?
Thank God I met you. I've been seeing Ojukwu. Don't lie to me, oh, because if I find out, to marry you.
I've not seen him, and you're shedding tears. What's going on? What's happening?
Ojukwu have the mind. Ojukwu gonna be Surecom. My provision money. Where to spend it on that nonsense, Felicia?
That stupid, foolish girl that is speaking baby grammar that I don't even understand. Oh, she wants to steal Ojukwu from me. Never. It cannot work. Hey! Hey! It will not work. It is not possible.
Do you know where I can find Ojukwu?
I don't know, but we can look for him together. In this village. No. In this village, he wants to take Ojukwu from me. Like.
See those bloody idiots, Waiting I go do them, no day for this life. They want use me play. They want use me play, abi?
That is why Engineer Yopago. So that you chase them and we see that one, Ojukwu and Uchi, some the one that says Abo, Abo. That is why Feline, my sister, is not giving you attention. Or they need you.
You see that one called Ojukwu, I will give him Jawe Marine. Boom! Next time when he hear my name, Sergeant Mike, he go dey run. Me, they won't play with me. They won't play with me. Where you? Bring 1 carton of beer for my in-law.
1 carton?
Yes.
I'm gonna have once, one day, once. Before
Customer, okay. Wait be that. Like I tell you, see this beer one they buy you. If you no finish am, I go do you from jump go house. That you say you want drink beer. You bring me and leave duty come out. You say they go drink at one. For 1 month.
Get time to say them. My dog want to bite me. You will do them for the dog. That short one. Maybe me.
Drink your beer, Mbaka. See that boy. What you go do me today, That way we carry beer. Carry that one for mind. As you come out here now, I go drive you for my car. You go show me their house. Thunder fire that bloody civilian. Won't play with me. What you drink? Hey, where you? Come and bring 1 carton of life here. Drink beer. Mbaka, drink.
Naza, I hope you are not here to plead on behalf of that useless, stupid boy Ojinaka. Because I swear to God, if I see him, I will kill that boy.
I'm not here to plead on anybody, yo.
Okay.
I'm looking for my brother. Yes, he goes to steal my money. Because if I catch him, I will make sure I tear him. You better bring him out, though, if he's here.
My brother is not here. Which is your brother again? Hey! Too much problem.
Unless you don't want to see him.
That guy's always too much.
If I don't see him today, okay.
Where are you going to? I'm going for you. Okay. Hey! Nada, wait for me. Wait for me. I must kill that one. Ojinaka, joking with you. You must give me that car.
How far? Linga. Oh, you want to hit me? Oh, yeah, try him now. Hit me now. Come go here. Kabacha. Now for you. Where you want to carry this your caterpillar face go? I talk to you, they move. Your face there like this. I not like him as your friend. You still want to carry him go?
Pia. See, I don't want your wahala now. I use God with you for heaven. In fact, if you want me to even use a Glen Maria to I go carry and now take and beg you. If you want me to venture into the oracle shrine, allow me. You see this mood why they here now? Allow me to just stay for this mood with peace. I beg you.
Make I tell you something. You know, say you na my person. You na my man. You na my party. Me and you na like brother and sister. And brother, we na 5 and 6. You na my person. I carry my sister give you. If not, you say na my sister in be. You for the me and you for the do the thing together. For the friend them together. Anything with the bother you, they bother me. Even anything will be your problem. Na my problem in be. Just open up to me now.
Fine. I know we are friends. You see this one where they bother me now. Now my cross in B. So allow me make I carry am JJJ. Make things where they bother we, not they bother we again. Let my brother bother me and your own brother bother you. So let the two brothers stop being brothers. What is it?
Hamakao. True to God. And this thing where they bother you like this. This is where they disturb your mind like this. Where they excuse me, I'll disturb me, I say make I go my way. That thing, he pass where person die. Make I tell you, now my friend you be. I no go feel come out here when you know they happy. I go there, anything the way they think. I go think I'm with you. I not just come here and say, no, I come to laugh with you. I not come play with you. Give me that money now, or people, your neighbors go gather for me and you now. I don't want. If you don't give me that money, it's either you die, I die. Confess you said, person go die.
Nobody go die because of 13,500 naira. Nobody is going to die. You come.
Is it because of that money? Give me that money now.
I did not even use the money uselessly. I used the money judiciously. Judiciously. Then I used the money and took the girl I want to marry.
See who they talk. Money why I give you? Why I just sneak from my house? Give you say as my man where you be? He come for me. And when you use and repair my keke, you say get and go take girl out. You go here.
This is a bad thing. The girl I want to marry. I used the money to go and take care of her. Is it a bad thing?
I'm not this one. If I am my girlfriend, no one marry him. Nobody tell you. Say you can be my best man. I'm not compare with you.
Rapado, you are my man. Forget all these things you are saying.
See, make I tell you.
You are a man like me.
Before I give you that money, you be my man. Now while I give you, you don't want to give me again. You don't be my man again. Carry the money, give me, nah. In fact, I'm not be man again. Who the hell? I'm never man come outside though. Because you go, I don't want.
I'm the more age that my sister is sick. Make it a copy of you.
Chukube,
my sister. Stop crying now. There's something in the bottle. I want it in the bottle longer. Hey, yeah, one. Let's come.
I hate bullshit.
If you don't want to make people love you, you for ugly like my mother. Our math student. Make people not talk to you. No be saying.
What is it?
Nothing.
I hate all these primitive niggas. You don't know how to communicate in my phonetics. Shit! Oh my jeez. Oh my goodness.
All the niggas come in, trousers come in. If you talk about one, try him.
Hey, don't come and inch close.
You push me down, brother.
I am not holding your kidney, Mr. Man.
See my name, you push me
Stop
down.
Stop it now. I will disable you like I'm going to discredit your face beyond repair, okay? Don't come close. Hey, no! What is it? Oh, God,
give me listening ear.
What the heck? I hate shouting. I'm losing my voice. I'm losing my voice.
Listen to me first.
Yeah. Oh, my leg. Oh, jeez. Somebody help me with water. I need water to wash my leg. I need water. I need the towel. Chef, please. Give me ISO. Help. Oh, my leg on this foot to ground. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Come here.
Come here. Oh, bring your clothes. Clean it. Oh, clean it. Oh, my jeez. Clean it well. Woo. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. With your guilty hands.
Even if no one loves me, if you know that people don't love you, where you go find like this?
What is going on here? Who are you? Hey! You made my woman to cry. Who bloody civilian?
Who you be?
Myself.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Myself.
You dare touch your filthy hand on my angel? You bloody civilian. Baby, what's him?
Yeah.
Just what's him? What's him? I'm here.
Oh.
Another one.
Oh, my hand.
Come on, bring down your hand. Bring down your hand.
Oh, my
What's him?
His body's too strong.
What's this idiot?
His body's too strong, baby.
Okay, you want me to do it for him?
Ouch! Oh, baby,
Okay, you are blocking my baby's hand.
Oh.
Now I will slap you myself.
Baby, sweet.
Come here. Hey, stop here.
Okay, back here. Hold him. Oh, my jeez.
Baby, I'm sorry.
What is he eating?
I hope that boy did not enjoy you.
What is he eating? His body's too strong.
That boy is full.
Oh, my
I hope he did not enjoy you.
Maybe he injured me. Maybe I can't even walk. Maybe my leg. Oh, my leg is too dirty. My leg is too dirty, baby.
Let me carry you.
Baby, carry me. Carry me. Oh. It's too bad last time. I've lost my voice. Oh, my teeth. Oh. Oh, my.
Unless I did not see you, the next time I will catch you idiot, I will do you from job. Bloody civilian. Bell B.
Yo, baby.
So I'm in my abode.
Yes, in your
My little
notorious building.
What?
The notorious, famous.
Hey, where is that Tonyami? Where is that Tonyami? So you're the one. You are the one. Go inside now and get my brother.
Hey! Shifts in our Banya soul. What? How dare you boy your soul in your own house?
You just know. We're not trying to do that just to make sure.
Who is she? Now! Hon, who is she?
So you are not afraid to come into my house, my own abode, moi Sergeant Mike, a Sambisa forest soldier. I will roast you.
You don't know that Sambisa before? You're watching. Seniors.
Hey, listen.
What do you mean?
You better
Hey,
yourself.
Don't worry.
Out of this notorious building.
Don't worry. You
I'll take here, bitch. Look who
Baby, next time any idiot see a wife of a soldier is a soldier.
Yes.
I expect you to slap this woman.
Oh, baby, no. I can't waste my hand on that monophorous, idiotic, primitive, archaic, unsophisticated bitch. She is nothing but a monopolic Fatiamus.
Monopolist?
Fatiamus,
When you
yes.
speak like this, you dey enter my brain, they will dissolve my... See all the whole anger don't dissolve.
Yeah, but honey, she came here. She was bullying my soul.
That girl.
Yes, baby. You know, I went to Cambridge. Then I proceeded to Oxford, then Stanford.
Baby, honestly, you have to teach me this your grammar.
Of course, I'm gonna get you a Cambridge dictionary. So you will learn my phonetics on phonology.
Yes. Honey, let me drop this before I go. I go this way.
Okay.
Come.
Alright, baby. Don't worry, I will get you a Cambridge dictionary.
How?
So you will learn phonetics and phonology.
My Cambridge, mommy.
So we can comprehend and appreciate each other orally. Oh my jeez! What the heck? My hair! My hair on the floor! Pick it up first! We need to wash this with oil, antiseptic, Dettol, sanitizer. Oh my jeez! Enough of my soul! Oh! Right now, I need his hair to be treated with all the disinfectant available. With Dettol, stabilizer, sanitizer, even Kai. I mean Ijol.
Honey, as you talk the Kai.
Let's try Ijol, please.
Baby, as you talk the Kai, I don't motivate. Now what do you do for some business for us to go to high?
Damn it! How dare you talk? Right now, I need Kai for my hair. I need hair to be treated. I need Kai fix and all. 100% ethanol for my hair.
For your hair.
Oh my
you go now? Honey, can't you say that now? I'll buy you a new one.
This hair needs to be treated.
I'll buy you a new one.
Kai for my hair.
I'll buy you a new one.
No! I want this one! This hair is too fucking expensive, you can't even afford it. This hair is cost so much to me! Let's go to the salon! Get the Kai! Where's the Kai? Let's go!
Yeah, get the khaki dress now.
Let's go wash the hair! Move it!
Let me get the khaki.
My hair! My woman hair! Baby, where's the Kai for my woman hair? Oh, jeez! No! This hair is gone!
I'm getting the khaki now.
This is hair?
You can't use it, yeah? You want my hair?
My hair! Oh, my woman hair!
I forgot the khaki again.
Oh, jeez!
Hello? Hello? You're sleeping on duty. Please, I want you to help me take this back to my house. Okay? What is it? Oh my goodness! Where are they running? Where are they running? Where are they running? you.